Congress is hashing out a funding plan to respond to the coronavirus as California deals with what could be the first case of community transmission of the virus.
CBS's Skyler Henry continues our live team coverage from Capitol Hill. Skyler.
Francis Elliott, good evening to you. Well, the vice president was certainly busy this afternoon, not only appointing people to this new coronavirus task force, but also meeting with them to try to flesh out the best ways to help deal with the outbreak. Meantime, as you mentioned, health officials are trying to figure out in California just how this latest span of the coronavirus started.
This is a rapidly evolving.
California officials revealed only minimal details about what is believed to be the first case of community transmission of coronavirus in the U.S., meaning the patient was probably infected by someone in the general population.
We know that there were a number of days that she was in her community and that she then did begin accessing care.
The female patient is in isolation at UC Davis Medical Center in Sacramento, and health officials are trying to trace her contacts.
Step by step, we look at where they've been, and who they might have been in direct communication with.
This is the 15th case to originate in the U.S. The other 14 cases involved either people who traveled to China or who had close contact with an infected patient. Thursday, Vice President Pence met with his coronavirus task force. He named Dr. Debbie Bricks as the White House response coordinator.
The president has no higher priority than the health and safety of the American people.
Congress is working on a bill to fund the federal emergency response to coronavirus, and both Republicans and Democrats say now is not the time to play politics.
We're coming close to a bipartisan agreement in the Congress as how we can go forward with a number that is a good start.
Minority Leader Kevin McCarthy is pointing a finger at the Chinese government.
If China would have allowed our doctors and our scientists in earlier, the world would be safer.
Congress is set to receive a fourth briefing on the coronavirus from the Trump administration on Friday.
Meantime, Senator Marco Rubio is also weighing in on this coronavirus altogether. He wrote an opinion op-ed piece, I should say, echoing a sentiment that he's had all along, saying that America is entirely too dependent on the Chinese for its pharmaceutical needs. And he said that he plans on introducing legislation that will help curb curb China from needing American medicine. Guys.
Skyler Henry live for us from Capitol Hill. Thank you. You can look for much more on the coronavirus outbreak tonight on the CBS Evening News with Nora O'Donnell. That's at 6:30, right after CBS 4 News at 6.
And now